If your Tracfone line expires due to inactivity, typically after 90 to 120 days, you can reactivate it and keep your number. This is done by adding airtime to your account. Reactivation must occur within 180 days of expiration to avoid losing your number. Expired lines enter a suspended state, making recovery straightforward. To start, confirm your expiration status by calling Tracfone customer service at 1-800-867-7183 or checking your account on the Tracfone website or app. This will confirm that the line is suspended and eligible for reactivation by adding minutes. To add minutes and reactivate your Tracfone, start by purchasing airtime. You can do this online at tracfone.com, through the Tracfone app, or by buying a physical refill card from retailers like Walmart. Once you complete the purchase, your Tracfone service should automatically restore, bringing your line back online. Tracfone has been focusing on digital and app-based management, with app reactivations increasing by 25% in recent years. Keep in mind that airtime is non-refundable, and a valid payment method is required for reactivation. There may also be fees for late reactivation. To avoid future expirations, consider setting up automatic recharges.